See, this is what they're going to be doing during molting season. Because spring's here, and plus they're 4 or 5 months, they're going to be, adjusting their feathers and shedding their baby feathers and their undercoat, their down feathers. So that's why I also bought the hemp oil, but it helps their feathers so that way their new feathers. Excuse me, I'm talking. Thank you. Yeah. So anyways, they're going to have a nice, beautiful, fluffy white coat from this hemp oil. Right? Popcorn? Get popcorn. She's over it.